Yeah, I think it all depends on different surfaces as well, how you go about it. I mean, you can't just go out and play. Yes, the percentage game is there depending on the surfaces that you're playing. It is favoring, but I think we do have the nucleus, we have the batters who could do the same thing as well. I mean, getting 200 runs, 220, it can be achieved, but obviously not on this surface for sure. But uh, yeah, I mean, depending on that, I mean, we just have to play our best cricket. That's what I said. Like, we are not playing our best cricket, so then it's easier to find so many things that is not right. But we need to understand that we do play some good cricket in bits and pieces, but we can't get a full game. Like last game we could score 240, our bowlers wasn't able to execute, and today batsmen started well, but then we didn't put runs on the board for our bowlers to have a crack at it. So we're not playing our best cricket at the moment.